Welcome back. Well, a federal court has ruled that a police officer's rights were not violated after being forced to attend an Islamic mosque.
Not only that the court ruled that he can be punished for refusing to attend, even though he had a religious objection.
So how could this be legal? Let's talk to Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. So, Judge, the cop wasn't being ordered to go into a mosque to pray. He was being ordered in to do his job?
Yes. You know, when you first look at this, you say, my God, how could you compel, in this case, a Roman Catholic police officer to go into a mosque when it's against his religion? Well, you have to look at the facts here, and the facts were this. This mosque was actually holding a law enforcement appreciation day for all law enforcement entities in the area, federal, state, and local. So they all sent representatives. This particular town, nobody wanted to go, so the police chief said, you, and you, go. One of them said, I don't want to go, it's against my religion. It's against your religion to go and represent the police department and stand at attention?
Police Appreciation Day?
Exactly. Now, think of the flip side of this. If this opinion did not come out this way, then police would be able to object on the basis of their own personal taste or religious views to all kinds of assignments. And a police department, let's face it, is a paramilitary organization, and it has to exist with a chain of command. It can't exist on the basis of, well, we can't have this officer do this because he doesn't like that, or that officer do that because he doesn't like this.
So the part and the whole, right, is what we're talking about here. So the personal beliefs of one really don't count here as it relates to religious rights going into a mosque or a church or a temple. Well,
if they had said to him, you have to praise Allah while you're there, and he doesn't believe in that, that would have violated his religious rights. But he was performing a police function, not a religious function. That's what the court said, and I believe the court was correct.
Right, and for example, for a civilian, like you think about Muhammad Ali, said, I can't go to war. My job as a citizen is to go to war. You were drafted. He says, I can't go to war. It's against my religious beliefs. This is different.
Yes. Yes, because he wasn't asked to do anything. He wasn't asked to manifest an agreement with Muslim teaching. He was just there as a police officer. Look, when you join the military and when you join a police department, you do give up certain rights. And one of those rights is the ability to object to an otherwise lawful order because you don't like it or you don't want that responsibility.
Well, now you know. All right. Judge, thank you very much for
pleasure,
dropping by.
guys. Have a good one. Now, look at my tie and look at Elizabeth's.
Right, we're promised.
You match.
If we could do it again, we would put you next to Elizabeth, put Steve on the outside, but he's got to always sit next to Elizabeth.
Let's try it.
I'll send you my proposal soon, Judge.
All right, 4 minutes before the top of the hour.
So what happens when you cross the royal family? The people who published this picture are about to find out in a big way. And the story of a veteran who came to the rescue at just the right moment.